Alright, 5th grade, so next example, you might be asking, well, what do we do if we don't have like fractions? Okay, so we have 7/8 plus 3 1/4 plus 1 1/8. So what we need to do is we need to find that lowest common denominator like we did before spring break. And you can see that lowest common denominator is going to be 8. So I didn't have to change 7/8, I didn't have to change 1 1/8, but I did have to change 3 1/4 to 3 2/8. So that way each denominator was the same. Once it's the same, we can add things together. So I have my whole numbers there. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then my fractions, 7/8 plus 2/8 plus 1/8. And you can see I have 10/8 right now. But 10/8 is an improper fraction. So we need to make that into a mixed number. So if we go over here, you see I have 10/8, and I make that into 1 2/8 because that's a division. 8 goes into 10 one time with 2 left over. So 1 2/8 simplified to 1 1/4. And now I have 4 from my whole numbers plus 1 1/4 equals 5 1/4. So this is a little bit tougher one, but I think you guys can do it. So we got an answer of 5 1/4.